Oh my God, did I not record that? Oh my God. I just spilled a whole bucket of tar on my carpets everywhere. This probably got cleaned up already almost. This all the way on my stairs, a whole bucket of tar. Trying to bring it up from my basement. I used Dawn, this is the watered down one. Dawn, this is the full strength one. I keep on filling this up with water. And please, Lord, let me get this cleaned up. Every inch of this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Somehow or another, I'm amazed at how well this is cleaning this up so far. Like, I can't even believe it. So, just so you know, I walked with my sneakers on, my tarry sneakers that have tar all over it, and my gloves, and I walked all the way up my stairs to grab a bucket to grab the tar that had already fallen on all of my stairs downstairs, and I dragged it all up. I got the water spots up here. So anyways, I made it all the way up the stairs. You can see I have bare feet on right now because I had to take my shoes off. Then I got tar on my sneaker, on my socks. But anyways, I'm very hopeful because you've seen the before pictures. And now I'm working on these. And there's the culprit, the tar that's in that bucket down there. That I tried bringing up from my basement as I was trying to clean out my basement. And if you don't believe me, here's some nice fresh tar on my arm and also on my pants, which you can't see. But you know what? The bottom line is, I'm hopeful. Seriously, had I never seen these Dawn commercials, I would have never even thought about it. I would have just cried my eyes out and thought I had to replace my carpets. Right now, it's June 2nd, 2020. I dumped a huge bucket of tar all on my carpets and on my stairs. And I am just trying to clean it up, folks. But I'm hopeful. Hey guys, this is coming along. It's not as dark as it was when I did that spatula thing before. And it gets darker. It's not as bad as it was. So we're coming along. The tar. Okay, so I'm going a little deeper here now. I'm adding some vinegar and baking soda to my Dawn remedy, and I've been scrubbing for, I don't know, probably an hour or so now. At least I got that tar in a box down there, and the tar that spilled is underneath that box, in a box. I tried cleaning this up while I was waiting for the Dawn to soak in pretty good. And now I just decided, you know what, I'm going to give a whack on the vinegar and baking soda and let that foam up. Alright, so the vinegar and baking soda seems to be working because when I scrape her, it's not so much there anymore. And before it was. So vinegar and baking soda, your everyday baking goods. I didn't do that spot, and I didn't do that spot, so I'll try that with vinegar baking soda. Okay, so there's the spots I told you I didn't do. There's the spots I scraped I did do. And we're going to see if that works. Just your good old bakingware, vinegar and baking soda after scrubbing with Dawn. And I still got to clean up the rest of that tar. But we're working on it. I got Dawn soaking on that down there. So let's see what this does over here. Well, I gotta scrub that first. I gotta scrub it in first. Let's scrub. And then I'll do the scrape test. I don't want to do it too soon though. I want it to sit for a minute. Okay, so this is all the tar. Let's see what a big bucket that was. Big popcorn bucket that I filled up about a quarter of the way. That literally was all on the steps and on my carpet up there that I just cleaned up, and I also dragged it all across my stairs upstairs as I was trying to grab a bucket. And let's not forget, here's the big box of tar down here underneath this one. Okay? So this is the big, I can't see because of the lights going on here. There's a big bucket of tar that I was trying to carry up from downstairs in my basement. Try to clean my basement. And this all landed on my carpets. Okay, so I just found 3 really tough spots from the tar, and I'm letting the vinegar and the baking soda work. After, of course, I've been scrubbing for probably at least an hour now with Dawn to get that tar out. It's done. Sitting on the stairs, I scraped it all up. I had to scrape it all off, and you can see the tar sort of in that box down there. And there's another, the big bucket of tar is below, and the bucket underneath that. I have still photos. Okay, so it looks like I may have saved my carpets from the tar mess. The tar, I'm going to do a scrape test over here where I showed you I didn't do before. I scrape tested that before, but I redid it with vinegar and baking soda after the Dawn soap. So here's the scrape test in this spot. Oh, that looks pretty good. I don't see any black tar left at all there. Wow. Okay. Maybe I'll work a little bit more in that area. And there's this. I'm just using a spatula, you know, plastic spatula. Looks like that could use some more work, but you know what? We are getting this out, folks. We are getting that tar out of my carpet. I might just save my carpet thanks to Dawn and baking soda and vinegar. So let's see the final results. And here we are. Could you even imagine that I got all of that tar out? And these were the previous photos to prove it. With only Dawn dish soap, baking soda, and vinegar. No use for harsh chemicals in my household. Just look at that. Seriously? Had I never seen these Dawn commercials, I would have never even thought about it. I would have just cried my eyes out and thought I had to replace my carpets. Look at that. It's like an actual miracle.